Do you want creamy, restaurant-style mashed potatoes, just like the ones at Cracker Barrel? Today, I'll show you how to make them at home with just a few simple ingredients. We begin by peeling and cutting 6 large potatoes into even cubes. This helps them cook quickly and evenly. Place the potatoes into a pot of boiling water and cook them until they're completely tender. This will give you that soft, smooth texture we all love. Once the potatoes are drained and still hot, add 1 stick of butter, a slice at a time, letting it melt right into the potatoes. Now we whip the potatoes using a hand mixer while slowly adding evaporated milk. This is the secret to making them extra creamy, fluffy, and rich. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Keep mixing until everything is smooth and perfectly blended. And now serving. This is the part I love the most. These home-style mashed potatoes pair wonderfully with roasted chicken, fresh vegetables, and a generous spoonful of warm gravy. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to download a free cookbook, you'll find the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more restaurant-style country recipes, and I'll see you in the next video.